Hello students, KCET 2024 first mock allotment results were already announced, right? And by now everybody would have checked which college is allotted to you and which course is allotted to you, right? So after seeing the results, somebody of you be very happy and satisfied, whereas some of you might be little dissatisfied with the branch that you have got. Okay, so yes, this video is for all those students who did not get the desired branch in the KCET 2024 first mock allotment results. Okay, so in this video we'll be discussing what you should do next, okay, how you should modify your option entry, what you should do next so that you can get the desired branch in your next allotment. Okay, so yes, please stick around and let's get started. So the first one here is to understand why you did not get the desired branch. Okay, because before solving the problem we need to know the reason of the problem, right? What is the cause of that? So that is why first we need to understand why we did not get the desired branch. Okay, so let us see here. Okay, now first of all you have to analyze the result. Whatever college that you have got, first we have to analyze it. The first step is to understand why you did not get your desired branch. Was it due to the high cutoff, limited seats, or perhaps a lower rank? Okay, so I'll explain you. There can be different reasons for not getting a desired branch. So first of all is the cutoff of the branch. So you must be adding the college and the branch, right? You have to add college plus branch, right? So maybe for that particular college, like suppose you are interested in computer science, okay, but computer science of RV and computer science of for example BMS IT, okay, are two different, the cutoff are very different from each other. So there might be a reason that you have added those colleges branch of your desired branch in those colleges where the cutoff is very high, which is not matching to your rank list. Okay, that can be the first reason and one of the major reason. So cutoff did not match with your rank. Okay, this can be one option. Second one, you added very limited options. Okay, you added limited options. You did not explore other branches, you did not explore other colleges where the cutoff was actually matching with your rank. And third reason can be the limited seats here. Okay? So in that particular college the number of seats are very limited for your desired branch. Okay, so that can be different reasons why not getting why you did not get your desired branch. Now how can we solve it? Okay, so what you have to do is you have to revisit, you have to again check your preference list. Okay, so how will you do and what you have to do here? See, so you have to check here, did you prioritize your options correctly or not? Did you give preference to your desired branch or not? Like for example, you are interested in artificial intelligence and machine learning, but you have given computer science in the priority list. Okay, so that will not help you to get your desired branch. So what is our key here? We have to give the desired branch more priority. Desired branch should be given more priority. Okay, so if you are someone who is willing to get your desired branch, okay, you want to get your desired branch, then whichever colleges it is happening, but first you should give preference to, like suppose you are interested in AI and ML, so give all those colleges which offer artificial intelligence and machine learning. Okay, I hope this is clear. So first of all we have to analyze why we did not get the desired branch. So there can be various reasons for that. One can be the cutoff, another is like giving the priority to your desired branch. So you have to check your option entry once again and you have to check whether you have given priority or you have given more preference to your desired branch or not. Okay, so this much thing we have to do in the analysis of the result. Okay, next, second step is consider related or interdisciplinary branches. Okay, this is again very important. You have to be little flexible, students. Okay, you have to be little flexible towards your desired branch. So if you are interested in for example computer science, but computer science cutoff is very high compared to your rank, then what you can do, you can search some interdisciplinary branches like computer science with AI, computer science with data structure, computer science with cyber security, computer science with design. Okay, so these are the different things which you can consider, the interdisciplinary branches. Okay, so if your desired branch was too competitive, like for example, if computer science is very competitive according to your rank, then consider closely related branch. For example, if you are aimed for computer science, branches like information science, okay, or even data science might still align with your interest and career goals. Okay, so you have to think about interdisciplinary opportunities. Many emerging fields are interdisciplinary. So today with the growing world, what is happening, you may be educated, you might have graduated in certain particular course, but you will be working with many people who belong to different disciplines, right? So that is why the scope of interdisciplinary jobs have increased in the market, due to that everything is connected some or the other way to different market. That is why now see, fields like artificial intelligence, robotics or bioinformatics often intersect with multiple branches, giving you the flexibility to explore your interest. So even though you are not studying the exact branch which you are looking for, but you can work in the, or you can study in the related branches. Okay, this will also help you to do the same job which you would have done if you have taken only computer science. Okay, so that is why you need to think and you have to be little flexible with your desired branch. What are the similarities in other branches that I can get, okay, from this, that you have to understand. So second point clear. Third is, so first we'll analyze, so again let us summarize. First we are going to analyze our result. We need to know why we did not get the desired branch. Second, we need to think about the different competitive branches or different interdisciplinary branches that is available with my interest or with my desired branch. Now coming to third thing is the action. Okay, the first two things is about thinking and analyzing and everything. The third point is coming to action here. Prioritize the practical choices. So first of all, after analyzing the results, reorder your option list. So now for example, you are interested in computer science. Okay, this is your desired branch for example, and your rank is somewhere around 10,456. Okay, so instead of putting RV college, BMS college and JSS college whose cutoffs are very high, way far away from your rank, think about those colleges where the cutoff is near to your rank. Like for example, you can put RNS college here. Okay, you can put CMR college, BMS college, NMIT. Okay, so if you consider these college cutoff for CSR will be somewhere around 10,000. Okay, I'm not telling exactly, but as of I remember somewhere near like 6,000, 7,000 you will be getting computer science in these colleges, up to 7,000 to 9,000 I think. Okay, so you need to consider these colleges and computer science branch for making your option entry, instead of considering RV, BMS, the top colleges, MSRIT where the cutoff is very high. Okay, now move colleges where you have a better chance of getting your desired branch higher up on the list. Okay, so choose these colleges and take it to the up and where you have the chances of getting. Now balancing ambition with realism is the key. Okay, so you need to be ambitious of getting RV college, but also you need to realize that with your rank it is possible or not. Okay, so it is not that you have to go only to the top colleges, but what matters is you should enter into good colleges. Okay, now coming to the fourth point here, add more colleges with your desired branch. Okay, so expand your options. If you haven't already, I hope everybody would have done in the same way, but yes, if you haven't done, consider adding more colleges that offer your desired branch. Okay, so add more colleges where your branch is offered. So looking for institutions where the cutoff may be slightly lower but still provide good opportunities in your field of interest. So you have to consider those colleges which offer your desired branch, but also the cutoff for these colleges is low. so that you can add these colleges in your option entry and you will be getting the desired branch. Now consider different reason. This is also a important point here. See, if we talk about Karnataka KCET examination, majority of colleges are located in Bangalore. Okay, so because of its location, sometimes also the cutoff goes high because it is located in a metropolitan city. So you can consider certain colleges which are little out of Bangalore or towards the outskirts of the Karnataka, but yes, still they offered good education system. Okay, so expand your search to colleges in different regions. Sometimes colleges outside the major cities may have the lower cutoff, increasing your chances of getting your preferred branch. Okay, so yes, if you are considering the colleges which are out of the Bangalore, like for example in KCET, if the colleges which are out of Bangalore may have little lower cutoff because of its location, but they might offer your desired branch and might fall in your category, in your rank category. So in that case you must consider those colleges also. Okay, so now coming to the fifth point here, considering the possibility of branch upgrade. So this is something which is there in some of the colleges, which is not there in many of the colleges also. So generally what happens is, after admission, okay, after admission also, if some college has some seat vacant in the desired branch, they can upgrade you. Okay, or in some colleges there is also like after first semester, if you perform well, you get a chance to upgrade your branch. Okay, certain systems, certain colleges have this policies, have this system. So what you can do is you can research about this. Okay, in some colleges you may have the option to upgrade your desired branch in later rounds of counseling or even during the admission process. Make sure to select these colleges that offer this flexibility. Okay, so you can consider, you can talk to your seniors, you can talk to the other students of different colleges whether this opportunity is there or not. Okay, so if such opportunities are there, so even if the cutoff is little higher, you can consider these colleges because they have this system of branch upgradation. Okay, so this type of colleges you need to add in your option entry. Next, choose college with strong upgrade policies. The same thing here. When adding colleges, prioritize those colleges with clear and favorable branch upgrade policies. Okay, so you should be very clear and confirmed about this. Okay, if you are not sure, then do not add it, but you can talk to your seniors and the people and the students who are already studying there. Okay, so if you find that they have this they have this policy of upgrading the branch, then definitely you can consider these colleges. Okay, so yes, if you haven't got your desired college, need not worry. By analyzing what mistakes you have done, by adding more options, okay, by prioritizing them in the correct order, you can be able to make your best preference entry and you can also get your desired college. Okay, so see, KCET option entry is the most I can say more strategic and more smart way, and needs a lot of thinking. Okay, it's not that you can do randomly, it is very logical and it is very calculative that you should do your option entry. So to help you this, we are making so many videos based on different topics, thinking about what students might have the doubts. So we have made videos on if you are thinking of adding colleges, what are the do's and don'ts, where you should add, where you should not add colleges, like how to analyze the last year cutoff and make the option entry, how to use the data. You have also made like how to correct your option entry if not, and how to analyze your mock allotment results. Okay, so we have already made many videos on this. And yes, if you find any other difficulties, if you have some other questions, please comment down, we will definitely take it in our next video. Okay, yes, so if you have found this video helpful, please subscribe the channel, and thank you for watching, and good luck for your KCET 2024 counseling process.